Everyone, you need to get this on video. These two dogs, this one here. Let me just turn the light on because I can't get a proper view. There we go, that's better. We got that one there, which is Bonnet, and we got that one, Kia, my favourite dog, and they were basically having a scrap, and here we go again. Excuse me. What, we're having a scrap? We're having a scrap! Oh my! This is the world's greatest achievement! We're having a scrap, look! Cole, we're having a fight!
What?
We're having a fight!
What are you doing?
Videoing them. And that's Cole. High five, Cole! High five.
No.
Screwdriver 5.
Screwdriver 5. That's a new one. Oh, let's have a look then. Here, don't mend it. Don't take it in here, come on.
Shall we have a go at singing, shall we? Let's have a go at singing.
No, it's broke.
Alright, sorry.
Oh, there you go, you mended it.
I'm so high. Ooh, the world's going. Does that one work?
It doesn't. Not yet. Not yet, Dylan. Not yet, Dylan.
Superman!
No. Sit.
Come here,
You
Cole.
wanted that on,
Come here.
Superman.
Maybe I want the light on.
You want the lights on? Why?
Because it's that.
Isn't it dirt?
Yeah, you need light on because I haven't got a proper video in you. That's why I turned him on. There's my favourite dog, Kia. Come here, Kia. Come on. Hello. Hello, Kia. Hello. It's a Jack Russell.
Oh, good.
And I don't like that one because it's ugly.
Need a man.
Kia.
Need another screwdriver.
No, we need another one, right? Go on. Which one do you want?
See you guys in the next video.